Hi! In front of me is OPPO Reno 10 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can disable Google Password Autofill. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Then scroll down again, click on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and then blue switcher next to Use Autofill with Google. So when I do that, as you can see, Google Autofill is off. But you can always switch it back on by tapping on the same switcher again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!